My name is Syed Abu Bakr. Today is 26th January. Wish all happy Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating 76th Republic Day. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Republic teaches us to live unity and peace. It is a very important day for every Indian. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.